In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can change the sender ID of the Docusign envelope when using the JWT Grant authentication method. So if I go into my accounts screen, I've got two account records, one for using the authorization code grant and one using the JWT grant. Now, when you normally send a request through the fmESignature link file, the sender of that envelope in Docusign is the user that you use to do the initial authentication. So automatically when you send a request, it automatically uses that user's account as the sender of the envelope. Now if you want to change that, we've added support in version 2 of the fmESignature link file to modify that, and you need to have an authentication account record that uses the JWT grant in order to use this. So we've made it so it sort of happens seamlessly, and JWT Grant is a service integration, so it can automate things and not require lots of different users to have to log into FileMaker with a web viewer and generate the initial access token. So the way it works is you set up your JWT Grant record and you authenticate, and you can see our separate video for performing that particular action. And then you come over here and you download all your Docusign users. Now, for every user that you want to send a request on behalf of, they also need to grant consent. It's not something that can be automated in this type of integration. So I'm going to use Jenny Sanders in my test now, and you also need to authenticate using the JWT grant for each user as well. So I've already authenticated with Docusign with Jenny, and she's also already granted consent. But if you were to authenticate and you got an error message saying consent required, all you need to do is go back to the account settings screen, copy the application consent URL and send it to the particular user, in this case Jenny. She clicks the link, she logs in with her Docusign account, and she'll be prompted to allow access for this integration to send envelopes on her behalf. So once you've authenticated and got each user to grant consent, you need to go into each user that you're going to be sending on behalf of and just click authenticate, so it generates a access token. And once you've got the initial access token, then you're set, and we can update that programmatically in the future. So I'm going to go to requests, and I'm just going to create a new request, and I want to use my JWT demo account, and the template I want to use is just my customer agreement standard, and that just has a single recipient. So I'm going to select Joe for this particular video, and we're all set now. Normally if I click send now, that would send it using my account because I was the one who did the initial authentication for that JWT demo account record. But because it's a JWT account type, I get another option here for send a user ID. If I was using my authorization code account, that's not available. It's only available with JWT accounts. So I can then choose one of my users that I've downloaded from Docusign, and so I'm going to use Jenny because I know we have an access token for her already, and she's provided consent. So I can click send envelope, and instead of sending it on using my name and email address, it's going to send it using Jenny's account. So when I go into Docusign, just get rid of these old emails, and there's my email, and as you can see, it's coming from Jenny and Jenny's email address. So that's how you can use the send on behalf of feature with the JWT code grant and version 2 of the fmESignature link file to send requests and envelopes on behalf of different users.